How to fix WhatsApp cannot sign in. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp cannot sign in. So to fix WhatsApp sign in issues, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable network. If it isn't, just try switching between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data for the stable network connection. Now the next what you can do is just toggle on your airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to reset your signal. Now for iOS users, what you can do is just go to your device's settings, then go to General, and then find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset, and then tap Reset Network Settings from the list, then follow the on-screen prompts. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.